Hi, I'm Shelley Wood. You might know me from shelleywood.com. This is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make a reversible doll diaper to fit 12-inch baby dolls. But before we begin, please go to my website shelleywood.com to download my free diaper pattern. It looks like this. Use the pattern to cut out 2 diaper pieces. Lay one piece on top of another, keeping right sides together, as you'll see in this slower video. Right sides together. Sew around the edges of the diaper using a true 1/4 inch seam, but leave the top of the front flap unsewn. You'll see that on the top of that shot. Clip all of the sewn edges of the garment. Here I am clipping. You'll want to make sure you cut off corners. This makes it have a nice tight, crisp edge when you invert it. So it's an important step. Remember that unsewn area? Starting there, open that whole area up and invert the diaper, just like you see me doing here. Now I like to use a chopstick when I get to those corners that are tricky, and you can use an actual turner, but if you have a chopstick at home, it works great to help you get those edges. See how I'm poking through those edges? Yeah, that makes it just a little crisper on the corners. Now you should only see the right sides of the fabric. Press all your seams. Push in the raw edges of that front flap of the diaper. We're hiding those raw edges inside the diaper. So here I'm doing that. I'm pushing those raw edges in. Use a whip stitch to seal the opening. Cut a piece of Velcro to fit the front flap. Do this twice so you have 2 soft and 2 hook pieces, and we'll talk about soft and hook pieces. So separate your Velcro into those soft pieces and then the hook pieces, but set the hook pieces aside. You're going to pin one soft side of the Velcro to the flap, but then pin the other soft side Velcro to the other side of the same flap. Whip stitch around both pieces simultaneously, sewing the opposite side Velcro with each stitch. Now that's tricky, so I wanted to show you what I mean by that. And you can see I'm reaching around to the other side to sew it. When you're all done attaching the soft Velcro, you'll have one soft Velcro on this side and then another soft Velcro on this side, and they are sewn to each other. Now for the pink diaper, I actually tried using my sewing machine, but my stitches looked really wonky on the back, so I recommend hand stitching for this step. Now for the side flaps, remember the 2 hook pieces that we set aside? We'll be working with those hook pieces only, not the soft Velcro. Fold a hook piece in half and cut it midway. Do this to both your hook pieces, so you'll end up with 4 pieces of Velcro. If your diaper won't be reversible, if you're only going to Velcro one side, this tip is really important. Don't lay the diaper like this when you apply Velcro, but lay it like this while you work, so you can visually connect the Velcro pieces. Now lay your hook pieces on the flaps like this. Pin the Velcro hook side out on both sides of each flap. Again, whip stitch through both sides so that the Velcro attaches both on this side and on the other side as well. Test your Velcro on both sides to make sure you got it on there the right way. You want to make sure it works on both sides. Now you're ready to try these diapers on a little doll. For more free printable sewing patterns to fit dolls of many shapes and different sizes, remember to visit my website, shelleywood.com. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos and my free patterns, please share them on your favorite social media platforms. It really helps my website grow if you help spread the word. Goodbye.